Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is like my third birthday haul. Well, since my first two birthday hauls, I did share a few presents that I got, but I just received this yesterday from my good friend here, Clara, and I thought, you know what? I still have some presents. I thought maybe we'll just sit down and have a little present reveal unboxing. Thank you, Clara. Look at the size of this box. It is huge. I have something from Chanel as well and some random bits here and there from friends. So let's do Clara's one first and I'll show you a few more gifts that I got for this birthday. This birthday has been the best, like one of the most memorable years of birthdays, and it's because I met new friends and all of that. So oh my gosh, I just feel so blessed. But okay, let's do it. Dun, dun, dun. And oh my gosh, girl! Oh my goodness! I have to take a photo. Let me just read the card first. It's all Doraemon themed. Guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that! Oh, I love it. Thank you, babe. This is like Doraemon's treasure box. You guys, look at this! This should be my thumbnail. Okay, and there's this gorgeous, what is this? Is this like cookies? Wow, babe, you went all out. Oh my gosh, I got the sunblock! Thank you! Oh my gosh, thank you! Girl, this is too much. Where's Hermes? Oh my gosh. This is too much for my heart to take. Oh my gosh! Okay, let me open this one. The packaging is just absolutely, oh, phenomenal. Look at that, the box and everything. And then you've got the helmet. They are cookies, but they're stamped with Doraemon. I have to take a photo of this because this needs to go on Instagram. I would totally keep this. Like, I would totally not eat any of these, but because they're food, I'm gonna eat them. Okay, let's eat them together. Gosh. It has chocolate inside. Oh my god, I need to go to Japan. I'm telling you, I need to be in Japan. There's another bag here. What did you buy for me? She got me a lip balm from Clé de Peau, okay. And yes, I love these stickers. The last packet that you gave me, Clara, I'm still using it. Oh, so cute. And then what is this? Oh my gosh, it's a stencil of Doraemon. It's a stencil. There are Doraemons here. I definitely can see Doraemon. Oh man. Oh, it's so cute. And there's Doraemon, like, I'm putting it with my pencil case right now. OMG, yes! Oh man, that's so cute. Thank you, babe. This is so beautiful, so precious. And, oh, let me open this. Oh, what a pretty, pretty pink. That's a pretty color. Let me try it now. Ooh, it's really nice. Oh, and I love this pink. What is this? Oh my gosh, you didn't. Girl, this is too much. This is too much. Oh my gosh. That's beautiful, babe. What collection is this? Epopee? This will be so beautiful. I need to, you know, when I do like properly my whole place, I'll like display this. That is so whimsical. There are like dinosaurs and horses and birds and rabbits. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. I got a few more presents from friends and I keep wanting to do this because I want to show you the Doraemon hairband. But let me show you this one from a Japanese friend that I got. And it's so sweet because she knows I love green. She got me this really cute bag that I can put my handphone inside like this. Tighten it in. I use this one. Put some cards in back and go partying. So I'm definitely gonna use this for, like, you know, if I go clubbing, I feel like in my 40s I feel like just going dancing and clubbing a little bit more. Just before I hit 50, then it's like no way anymore, right? So at least got a few more good years in this body to like groove it out. So this is gonna be my clubbing bag. And she also gave me a hairband, so let me just give this Doraemon a break first. And look at this hairband. It's so cute. If you have long hair, or like, or you don't even have long hair, like this, isn't that cute? You know, alright, I have to do it nicely, but like this, with like, you know, your hair like done out, if you have a lot of hair and it's just all puffy up. I have a few of these hairbands already, so pretty. So I got this as a present. I also got a lipstick from another friend. This is from Dior, and this is a refillable long wear lipstick in the color 999. It is Dior's red, like the red lipstick. I'm not gonna wear it now because I'm gonna save it for like a special occasion. I am going for a wedding dinner, which honestly at my age, I don't go for wedding dinners anymore because some of my friends who have kids, their kids are still young. So those friends that are my age, either they're married or they're not married. So I have some younger friends. So I have one friend who is younger than me and she's finally getting married. I'm so excited to go for a wedding dinner. I will put this red lipstick on. And then another friend from the gym gave me this really bougie mug. It's called an amber mug. And it's basically a rechargeable mug. It's a mug, which I've got coffee inside right now, that lights up, that has a heating element inside, but basically heats up or keeps your coffee or your drink warm, or it could even keep it cold. So I have coffee inside. And it's keeping it pretty warm. The funny thing is about this is that I don't know how to turn it off. So you apparently can press it to turn it off. This amber mug, there are some really passionate people on YouTube that has done a review, a full-on review about a mug, about how much they love this amber mug. That it's one of the most ridiculous things to have because it's literally an expensive mug that heats up your coffee. It even has its own app on Apple Store. Oh my gosh. But anyway, I got this for my birthday and I really appreciate it. I have been using it as for coffee and I have it here. The only thing is because I can't turn it off, or I have difficulty turning it off, I do need to charge it a little bit more regularly. But anyway, I have been enjoying it, so that's my other gift. And then my final one is something from Chanel. So this is from another friend, and wow, this is so special as well because she went all out. She gave me like a whole set of things from Chanel. Okay, let me open it. It smells so good. Okay, so there is a Eau de Toilette perfume. There is a hair and body shower gel, and there's a body lotion. I'm gonna open the perfume because that I can straight away just use, and I think I'll use it tonight. I haven't because I'm like, oh my god, this is so special, I've been saving it. It is the smell Paris-Venise? Paris-Venise? Wow. Oh my goodness, it smells so good! So those are some of the extra birthday presents that I received. Thank you, Clara, and thank you to all my friends. This is so special. You have made my birthday, yeah, just absolutely memorable, and thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love every one of you, and I appreciate every one of you who's watching as well. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and sharing this joy with me. So if you enjoyed today's video, please do give it a thumbs up. It'll help me with my channel. And I do hope you subscribe. Notification bell is turned on. And from me and my Doraemon, we will see you in our next video.